Hi everybody. I didn't see you there. My name's Kevin. Welcome to Everything Kevin. Today we're going to talk about YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts is YouTube's 15-second clip app that was created to compete with TikTok. There's no other way around it. It's a great idea if you're already a YouTube creator to go ahead and make some YouTube Shorts because it's a great way to maximize your views and to maximize your audience. And your audience retention is going to rise to 100%, maybe even 200% because of this. All right? Today, I'm going to show you how to create these YouTube Shorts videos and how to upload the videos. All right? Let's go. This is what YouTube has to say about its new upcoming Shorts app. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos up to 60 seconds in length. In addition to showing on your channel, viewers may find your short form video on the homepage Shorts shelf and tap into a vertical viewing experience made just for Shorts videos. YouTube's short form video creation tool, the Shorts camera, makes it easy to create videos that are up to 15 seconds long with the option to capture multiple clips. So you can actually make up to 60-second videos, but keep in mind that the algorithm is going to stick towards that 15-second clip. So try to stick to the 15-second mark on your videos. Good tip. All right. So it sounds like you're going to be able to make these videos real quick with the ability to film, edit, add music, publish, make thumbnails, and upload it all right there from your phone. YouTube's setting us up for success. The YouTube app also has some fantastic creation features in it as well. You're going to be able to upload music from YouTube's extensive music library. You're going to be able to adjust the speed of your video, speed it up or slow it down, which is going to kind of be neat for those romantic beach walks at night and have it in slow motion, right? And you're also going to be able to have a timer feature on it. So you just click the feature and it'll have a countdown timer to start your video, and you'll also be able to set the stopping point from doing that. So hey, they're setting us up for success with this, right? So we're going to be able to make a lot of good content with this, a lot of fun content. And remember, the most important thing is that your fun shines through. Make sure that you're being you, and that's how you're going to get all those views. Creating short is easy. Are you ready? Let's get going. Right from the start, let's go down to the bottom and let's create a video. Hit that plus button. Tap Create a Short, then tap Add Music to add a song from YouTube's extensive library. They're all for free. Go ahead. All right. Tap Speed to change the recording speed. Speed it up or slow it down. Tap Timer to set the countdown timer and to also set the stopping point for your recording. When you're done recording, hit next to review your video. All right, when you're done with that, hit next again. All right, make sure to use hashtag shorts in your title to get the most hits, to get the most views, okay? All right? Then once you're happy with all your details, it's time to upload. You did it. You made your first YouTube short. You were on your way to fame and fortune, and I was part of it. I feel so honored. Hey, my name's Kevin from Everything Kevin. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. It's good to see you again, all right? Take it easy, man.